Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into the world of search. Now, if you've ever built a web application, and I know many of you have, you've probably hit that point where you need to implement a search feature. And let's be honest, basic database searches can be slow, clunky, and just plain frustrating for your users. Am I right? Nobody wants to type in a perfectly spelled query only to see no results found. It's like searching for a needle in a haystack, even when the needle is right there. But fear not, my friends, because today I'm going to show you a better way. We're going to supercharge our Laravel applications with blazing fast, typo-tolerant search using a fantastic tool called Typesense. For those who haven't heard of it, Typesense is an open-source search engine that's designed for speed and scalability. Imagine getting search results as fast as you type, even with databases containing millions of records. That's the power of Typesense. And the best part? Integrating it with your Laravel projects is surprisingly easy, thanks to Laravel Scout. If you're not familiar with Laravel Scout, it's Laravel's elegant solution for adding full-text search to your applications. It provides a simple, driver-based approach to connecting with various search engines, including Algolia, Milasearch, and of course, Typesense. And what's even more amazing is how little code you need to write to get everything up and running. Let me show just how easy this is. We'll start with a simple to-do app as our example. In our to-do model, we'll use the searchable trait provided by Laravel Scout. That one line of code is all it takes to tell Laravel that this model needs to be searchable. It's like magic, but with less wand-waving and more awesome code. Next, we'll define a toSearchable function within our model. This function tells Scout exactly which fields from our model we want to be searchable in Typesense. And don't worry, it's all PHP, nice and clean, nothing too crazy. We're essentially creating a mapping between our database and our search index, so Typesense knows what to look for when a user initiates a search. Now, let's configure Scout to use Typesense. It's as simple as providing your Typesense server details, including your API key, host and port, and some basic connection settings. This is what will tell Laravel how to communicate with your Typesense server. We're basically setting up the pipeline between our application and the search engine. Once our connection is established, we can specify some settings for our to-do model within the Scout configuration file. This is where we fine-tune what happens on the Typesense side. We can define which fields should be used for default sorting and even specify which fields are more important for our search queries. This is where we can get really specific and optimize for relevance, ensuring our users get the most accurate results possible. With our backend setup complete, let's build a basic front-end for our to-do application. Nothing fancy here, just a simple form to create new tasks and a list to display them. We want to keep the focus on the magic that's happening behind the scenes. All right, it's time for the moment of truth. Let's add a few to-dos to our list. Now, as I start typing in the search bar, watch what happens. The results update instantly with every keystroke. And the best part? Typesense is smart enough to handle typos and misspellings. Let me try searching for a task with a deliberate typo. Boom, there it is. We still get the correct results. That's the beauty of fuzzy search. What's happening behind the scenes is that every time we add, update, or delete a to-do item, Laravel Scout automatically syncs those changes with our Typesense index. This ensures that our search results are always up-to-date and consistent with our database, all without us having to write any complex synchronization logic. It just works. So there you have it, folks. We've successfully implemented a lightning-fast, typo-tolerant search feature in our Laravel application using Typesense and Laravel Scout. And the best part? It took us very little code and even less effort. Now your users can find what they're looking for quickly and easily, which ultimately leads to a better user experience and a more successful application. But don't just take my word for it. Typesense is built for performance. In benchmarks, it consistently outperforms other search solutions, especially at scale. We're talking about millisecond search results, even with millions of records. And because it's open source, you have complete control over its configuration and can fine-tune it to perfectly match your application's needs. If you're building any application that requires search functionality, and let's be honest, what application doesn't these days? I highly recommend giving Typesense a try. You won't be disappointed. It's easy to set up, incredibly fast, and plays nicely with Laravel thanks to the magic of Scout. Plus, it's open source, so you know it's going to be well supported by the community. As always, I've included links to all the resources mentioned in this video down in the description below. You'll find links to the Typesense website, the Laravel Scout documentation, and some awesome tutorials to help you get started quickly. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, I encourage you to dive deeper into the world of search. Experiment with different configurations, explore advanced search features like faceting and filtering, and see how you can truly optimize your application search experience. But before you go, I want to say a huge thank you to this amazing community. As you know, I'm constantly striving to create the best possible content for you, and your support means the world to me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new upload. And be sure to share this video with your fellow developers who might find it useful. Every like, comment, and share helps me reach more people passionate about AI and technology, and for that, I am truly grateful. I'm trying to make this channel a valuable resource for all things AI and technology, so let me know what you'd like to see in future videos. Do you have any burning questions about Typesense? Or maybe you want to learn more about other search technologies or how to implement even more advanced search features? Drop your thoughts, suggestions, and even your wildest AI dreams in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep exploring the incredible world of AI. Catch you in the next one.